Welcome back to our channel Solve for Success Maths. Today we'll reveal the answer for SAT Math Challenge Day 10 question. So here we have the question, if 2 power x is equal to 5, then find 8 power x. So don't panic just looking at the question. No calculator needed. One small trick, you can solve it very easily. So first of all, we'll write down the given data, that is given that 2 power x equal to 5. Now, just check if we can write 8 in terms of 2. Yes, we can write it as 8 equal to 2 cube. Now we want 8 power x. So 8 power x will be equal to 2 power 3 whole power x. We know that a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. So we'll multiply the exponents here, m into n. Similarly, we can write 2 power 3 whole power x as 2 power 3x. Okay. Now, just observe this small matrix. Now, what I am doing is, I am writing 2 power 3x as 2 power x whole power 3. So we already know that 2 power x is equal to 5. So substitute here. We have 2 power x equal to 5 and now it is 5 cube. 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. So therefore, here 8 power x is equal to 125 is the answer. Did you get it right? If you got the same answer, comment yes. Otherwise, now you know the solution, you can solve it very easily.